We'll guide you through how to make header and framer. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to create a clean and professional website header and framer without confusion. To begin this tutorial, open a browser on your computer. Go to framer.com by typing the website address into the search bar. Once the website loads, click New Project to start creating a new workspace. After that, select Blank Project so you can build your layout from scratch without using any predefined templates. Next, click the plus icon or open the Insert menu to add elements into your project. Then go to the Navigation section to find navigation components that you can use. Drag the top bar or header into the desktop frame so it appears at the top of your layout. After adding the header, go to Edit Component on the right panel to start customizing the header design. If needed, double-click on the menu items inside the header to edit their names directly. Then change the menu names according to your needs so they match your website content or navigation structure. Make sure each menu label is clear and easy to understand so users can navigate your page properly. Next, press Shift+I on the keyboard to quickly insert a new element. Then draw an image frame inside the header, for example similar to the video, to create a space for your logo. After that, click Choose Image to upload your image. Choose an image from your computer, for example a GuideHub logo. Then click Open to place it into the frame. The image will appear inside the frame and can be adjusted as needed. Then place your logo layer into the top layout as shown in the video, so it aligns properly with the header elements. After that, select the default Framer logo layer and delete it if needed so it does not conflict with your custom logo. This helps keep your design clean and consistent with your branding. Once you have finished editing the header, go back to the home or main page to continue building your layout. Add a hero section if needed to complete the top part of your website and provide a strong visual introduction for your content.